Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will focus on our chest and we will try to do something that we can call a diagonal chest lift. And it will be almost the same as a chest lift. The technique is the same. So if you haven't mastered the chest lift, I strongly recommend you to do so. And here you will have a link to the previous episode where we were doing the basic chest lift, and today we will try to change the direction of this movement. So as I've already mentioned, the technique stays the same. Of course, we have our basic posture, feet parallel, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly, long neck, opened chest. And we will work in the same way as I've mentioned already twice, and this is the third time. We will work with our muscles, with our shoulder blades, with our muscles behind the chest and a little bit down along the backbone. We will work only with those muscles, so the pelvis stays in isolation. We don't want to open here everything along with the chest, so the pelvis stays in one place, the arms stay in one place, so I don't want to move my arms, and I breathe freely. So I don't work with my breath to lift and drop the chest. I'm working with my muscles, so I breathe normally. And last time we made a move up as the lift suggests. So lift and drop, and now we will do the same, but to this, not to the sides, it's diagonal really. So up and side to be exact. So I'm taking my chest and I'm lifting it to the right side. So it's like one side of my chest wants to lift and the other stays in one place. Well, not exactly really stays, but this is how you can imagine it. So you take the right side of your chest and lift and come back. The left side, lift and come back. The right side, lift, come back. The left side, lift, come back. Right side to diagonal up and left side to diagonal up, and right and left and right and left and right and left and right and left, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and put your hands down, and we still have the same movements. Arms, hands stay in isolation. Right and left and right and left and right and left and right and left, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And to really feel the difference between those two movements, so the basic chest lift and the diagonal one, we can do them one by one in a row. So we start to the right, and I've got diagonal back and the basic to the center, lift, drop, and diagonal back, lift, drop, diagonal back, lift, drop, diagonal back, lift, drop. Right and center and left and center and right and center and left and center and right and center and left and center and right and center and left and center, and put your hands back in a position, and one more time the same thing, right and center and left and center and right and center and left and center and right and center and left and center and right and center and left and center. And now stay once again in diagonal directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is how you do a diagonal chest lift. So if you like this episode and you've managed to do a diagonal chest lift, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions or doubts, leave a comment below. I will answer and try to explain how to do this movement in a proper way. And if you are interested in more advanced content, for example, more advanced combos, variations of different movements, if you want to gather information about history, culture, language, psychology, and all the things oriental dance related, of course, I invite you to my Tahira belly dance diary series, of course, here on my YouTube channel. And I also encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily oriental dance life. And I hope to see you here next week for the new next basic movement of oriental dance. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!